weekly time frame, I'm seeing there is a strong RSI positive range unfolding. And the prices are also creating higher high, higher low structure. Since what happened at this low is the weekly time frame has bounced off on the RSI front, has bounced off the level of 40, and it has also created like a very small positive divergence if you see. Okay, and then uptrend has started to unfold, and here it has gone above the level of 60. So my expectation is on the weekly time frame that it's going to continue rallying upward. What are we seeing on the daily time frame? On the daily time frame, we see this rally unfolded with strong uptick in volume. Good. Here also we see volume uptick with price rally. Good. Now, however, on the daily time frame, there is a negative divergence that we are noticing, which tells us that we can expect a pullback here. So if you are going to expect a pullback here, up to where can we expect the pullback is the question. So here I think in this situation a good level to expect the pullback would be somewhere around this level. Why? Because this is the previous high. Okay, so this is where I expect the pullback to happen. If this pullback does happen, which at the moment is 20% pullback to the 250 EMA and the previous high, if this unfolds, where should the stop loss be? Now, because this is the uptrend that we expect should continue, naturally, if this base where this higher high was established, if this gets broken, it means we have a lower low. That would mean that this setup has been invalidated. All right, so this is our stop loss. Now, where is the target to be expected? A conservative target would be over here. Okay, this is a conservative target, but since on the weekly time frame we've noticed that this is a uptrend unfolding, we can expect that this uptrend will go at least slightly higher. How much higher? We don't know. So we will use the Fibonacci extension tool. So this is the bottom from which this rally unfolded, and this is where it stopped. So the next rally that unfolds, we can expect it to at least be as long as the previous rally. So this is where we can keep our target. Okay. Now, um, if I use the long position tool to identify what my potential trade setup is, I see this is a trade setup with risk reward ratio of more than 3. But the problem is my stop loss. My stop loss is extremely high over here. There's no way I'm going to take a trade with 21% of stop loss. And there is no way I can make this stop loss smaller. So what I need to do is I need to find a entry level which makes more sense for me. So I'm going to pull my price lower and see at what level of stop loss am I comfortable taking. I personally am not comfortable going over 8% for any position, no matter how attractive, absolute loss. So, this is the best entry level that I can target. But then, on the chart structure perspective, this is not making a lot of sense for me. So, because of this, I wouldn't take this trade for short term. Um, the trade in HINDCOPPER, this trade setup, I wouldn't play it in the short term. I might play it for the long term. But again, from the long term, because the target over here is not sufficient, even for the long term, it might become quite a risky bet for me. So, because even though the risk reward ratio here is more than 3, for now, I am going to keep HINDCOPPER in observation and not go ahead with executing any kind of trade in this.